How to add Discord link to YouTube channel. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device and simply launch your Discord application. And here you can simply see the web browser over here. So simply what you need to do is tap on the profile section and let's just tap on copy the link. As we copy the link, now you can go and launch youtube.com. So let's go for youtube.com over here and make sure you're logged into your account on YouTube as well. Here, make sure that you have toggled on the desktop side, and as you do that, what you can simply do is select on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now select on view your channel, and as you tap on view your channel, it will land us to a new page where you can simply select on customize channel option. Now, as you tap on customize channel, all you need to do is simply scroll down on the screen. Here you can see the option of links. So let's tap on add link over here. And as you tap on add link, simply you have to enter the title, that is Discord, and under URL section, you have to paste the link that we had just copied of your Discord profile. So as you do that, you'll be able to add Discord link to YouTube channel. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.